Good afternoon. If I want to say, I do believe so. Here, Yame Adom 106.3. Me te hey me ho ye papa. Ewie nso menya bayram pc bi edi. Oh. We no said the mommy here no. As to you cry the friend is saying puniu. Say a gravy. Say a tomato stew. And now kusua bi shishe misa na say. Allah walai. And now fish bi ni ade ade bi sa ni ade ade. Nyame ye papa. Sabro bi da baby. Coco and ye dia a spoon asa kakra. So ode me ba ko kan yeah won't me vim bia me dia we bayre no odio say to me da nyame ase abribia. Sometimes I say we are looking at the bigger picture. Yeah, share near market, I can see some Raya Quemu and Son, a Timia Fiumuna, the Radiase. But Abusia, no matter your situation, dear Wolfam Biano, once you have life, Abusia, once you have life, Uguswa, Home, now Kona Wobay, a Chedia Kessia Pa, Yanyamidiama war. As I say, yeka. And you'll be beyond the Yansa. Obi a one you yam chow. Obi a woodin chow. Obi no one fetchow. Obi a kakra can want din chow pa. Ban pum doing some more and go sipicita. To say yes, sister, and one ding. Ojina Branny. How they me patchy. A banisi cancer will be chow. A band connections near don't say where they are well connected. You should be an second on him where to pass to get what. Yet that person here can say Bonnie dear, the late Eddie anim. But what the original Sankai? What I say? To say Fienya. Oh, Yapa Toba, the over the crowd, na I some way. Nenso oko na waba asundwem obi akrasa me koba sisia enye se otu kwan out of town crowd yo city mu aya oh me kobo aya hu de ezisi motorway so this few kilometers yi eso sembebre basha na twatum na fe wa mafie bi the obesa man so o ma de save obeba fie na chese ni dwonku ana ye de enua hye na moto am o kona ne nan mienu na wa otimi nante tumrika enso enei o ye wie nye yi baba na olympic sa ne ade a obi da ba bi a chechire nan ba ko bo wiem humanity say kim na ne nan ba wawu. The pain that person is going through. But for you, look at you. Tumika, Okoto, oh sorry, Freebie, Tiabi, yeah, down, also down, Crawford, KB. Oh, yeah, life is good. Then I'm yasi what? Obisu Obibia, but on Bema. What the old child to ya, baby, I know what Dawai free. Problem nifyet. And no Chesebia, Chese, what the oil now was as usual. Obi was a cap dime, but o cocket teswa wa da one na. What ya want to ya, but a now what there so that I can say. Mekai one of those ina ya call Easter EBA. Charlie was a quote, you're quiet, you're quiet now. Daytime, yeah, event. You do an address to a street one when who's saying, you know, Nana, some way. Now, just a guy to crown on a year, Juma, Kofi, Sound Masters, Kofi, Tema. That year, no, almost sounds now, yeah, they call. I'm going to provide sounds, my. Now, boy, no, so why, yeah, Juma, throughout the day, almost session video stage near day, no one as it is a co breath. Eti bibia take it off now fe yen so ya start ye be gina stage so ye dwagu mu no. Ono so hwe ya baby a on speakers no kesipa na bomu ana e wo so ya mu niam baby e da no. Eno esunti space wo so na nu achia ne ho ato so. Sound e dwagu mu pa masa. Owo kilometers away you could hear the sound. Na unu da so da wa da. Digital stage use me dwagu mu ana we na. Me see from kakra say my invite minimum say kwa kesi o so obi ase. And we be digital stage no perform. It me see from kakra ba na me so. Majima ho me. And I'm Charlie, why that way? Yo. Akwana da. O friend kra wante. Upon the noise. Yo, what da? Ba me ka say them di kan obi wo sika dan man. Wa so conditions ni so wo dem. O hwe ne bedroom ne bed da so masa. E 14 te won. But okoka left no abeka right. Okoka left no akoka right. O pempa no so sa wo da won na. Danyame ase wate. Yeah, be a champion, be a way. Me shut down for a long time. Just 5 minutes, babe. I want you to call me. No long talk. Just say, God, I thank you. Just do that for me. Friend Mrs. Straightforward. I mean, you mention your name. Baby, I'm free for you. Wait me the account. Then you go straight ahead. Say, Lord, I thank you. I want you to do this. 0302 216 561. 0302 216 562. Call me now. Ofie Kwanso ni radio. Ye fe radio asida emano. African ye fa course no yenko. First caller. Hello. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, brother.
Your first saying?
Your phone name and Katia, down so what to say.
The one your papa don't need
to. Ah, it is a yes to a dominant to the my Mandana. Hey, only I believe you. Can't say anything, my escape.
Hello.
Hello. Hello.
About 1 year, we are the radias and Ray.
And I'm the radias, Mama Bravo.
Oh my people. Miss Ofra, and your long talk be Ofra. Just say, Lord, I thank you. Me person there radias. Just do it. Hello. Hello. Yes.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon,
Okay, call him.
The radio to Mama Bravo, and my book, Professor Radio.
All right. Yes, you're that's a pass off fair. You find next call and any on some twasso.
Hello, Black Jelly.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Patrick, your father.
Look me back.
All right, look me back. Now, look me back. No, the coach you were ready. Okay. All right, to us, Amen. Amen.
Amen.
We are Kwesi Kwache. And this one here features Kweku JC. Yeah. Hello.
Hello, Mr. Jerry.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon. I'm Patrick Mpomwe.
Nyame adumti eyepa.
Ye de nyame ase. Me de radio ase. So de afi ba ko ka me afi ho. Enye nansa. Na me de radio ase so me busia. Na me de radio ase so ma adum efe mfo duma ifu ni na multimedia ni na radio nka mo no nyam kese.
Amen.
Amen.
Amen. Yeah, that's it. Next caller. Hello, good afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon, Jerry.
Patrick Frost, say.
That's your family, Mammy Casophia has been.
All right, you might you.
Oh, Madame, the mama, my brother, only my bush for you now.
Amen. Yes, that was a power for your call. Hello. afternoon. Pacho, your first name?
Your first the casting baby, me first people.
Yo, and you do it.
No, casting, and Yajapa. Also, this means the this is a government common casting between the
when you're cocooning cat your own.
And I'm in a bad boy, you're dying the car, no pa.
Hey, come on. Nice one. Cocooning cat here. Need you near but head the pa. Hello,
Papa J.
Yaman, you're frozen.
The Pacho, I don't put yourself test when I came across with me.
Aqua by you.
Yeah, Papa, me Pacho up me.
Adom ninti eyepa.
Pacho Yamishra, Medaya Miase, Eddie Mama Bravo. And me Bushing, and I'm in Kuala Mushing, and I did touching one by the American Yamishra. Amen.
Young family, you be so soon. I'm in Faunsi.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
You're frozen.
It's Mabna.
Abna kwa ba yenti we. Mabna. Abna den ayeza. Abna. Hello. Na me kaza abna foforo ba. You're frozen.
Where a Bema, Uviba, Jackie, I chill to Premai.
Nice one. Yenti we.
Now, what to say?
Nyame adom timi ho ye pa.
Yo, brother, me na nyame ase papa say nyame ni edi ni ye.
Amen.
Brother, o sha bato imu na se nyame aye ya. I was say dana se papa. Anti to preman ni ba bibia ye nyina bom. E de aseda ni kabia ama uchedi ampon kwame. Ono no boss ro. Yeah.
Amen.
Yeah, dana se.
Amen. Yes, we da se pa for your call. Yenti me for free bia biem. Ye fancy Yeah. Let's go now. Hey, Nana Watson. Now so there. Woo. Come on, y'all. Woo. Increase my blessings. Jehovah, increase my finances. Jehovah, increase my favor. Increase by the grace of God. Increase my blessings. Increase my blessings. Increase my finances. Increase my favor. Jehovah, you are good. Jehovah, you are good. Your fast like a semi proud sponsors no real quick now for young call your name Bell Chapman. Where any the new party sensation in town. Open to be say festive season here anywhere by Adom 106.3 say Bell Chapman nimu and not just you don't know what's up. You know what I'm saying? It's about time you add a touch of class to your parties. Our brown several guests with Bell Chapman. Where a special cocktail they are available in 330 and 500 ml bottles. Lime black currant lemon vitamins chapo, but a low in sugar. You know what I'm saying? One pack be only 16 bottles. A cool price cry. They are available. Our market baby. Open the door now. Our friend a Bell Beverages on 055 538 5800 and our face 055 538 5900. Bell Chapman for life's happy moments. My main come for the Obasima seal amount. If I try, you can't Obasima seal a special seal be a AGI and a Ghana Standards Authority. I can't boom Ediaba. Now, Nedjuma Hoy and say, food products be a yedi be bon. It means that food product containing 18 essential vitamins and minerals. Not just a boama impom de wonsem no ejina brane. Obasima good at the mo bibia, especially women. What is it? So go on, choose Obasima, stay healthy, stay strong. We bless your name. We bless your name, Jehovah. You are good. That's right, y'all. Yeba. Vivo smartphones. Say and necro. You know the usual ones near you are not nansay there. Vivo for the Omdia Bomuno. Thank you. Master Che Crui. Thank you. Almost the best of the best and I shall have from women. It is a Vivo smartphone, a ban camera, and a best. A ban a long lasting battery swap, best. A ban of big storage swap, best. And two pairing up a day. It's about time you switch to Vivo smartphones in order to get the best out of everything you will need in a smartphone. Some phone shops out across the country. The door partner Fred Johnny Communications on 0244 329 897 and our stranger phones on 0244 684 642. Vivo smartphones, stunning design, superior quality. With him said the 2016 Ghana AIDS Commission Act, Meche Act 938, makes it an offense. Say obe stigmatize and now say obe discriminate against obi or AIDS or HIV or TB. Ninya the wabu who be no akaka no. And pen piece at the end tesi obi tifie bi minerent nso ye. And so if you say, oh, Matisse, when you're for your baby, and you say, why? But I had the power. Obi are competent, pa, and yes, or incompetent, or you're competent, pa. Hey, that incompetent. I know you are the full. But we don't need a competent, pa. A human lawyer. But you may ask a Matisse, when I am your baby, there be. You don't fast as well. Inform Wapcas. Nasa for yen chomason, you don't be court near the assembly now. Over from 0302 241 452. Sounds a bit me afraid a year welder. Men your wife only lawyer or becca assembly now. You be more pro bono lawyer, no dear assembly now. 020 262 7049 and of 020 262 7084. Strategy for so techy and also bit me afraid 0302 664 785 and of 0302 662 150. I feel Choanum Kakra Food Lovers Special Fragrant Rice. Emo de. Oh yeah. And moi, or the prepare rice meal be a koye, say a jollof, say plain rice and stew, say all the fried rice, and now all the I can't do it. Rice no. Mutu. And now gravy all the rice water. And now my favorite nipano and wamu, especially Oma and Chenchan yesterday. Shikakana uradi yesu. Now. Unya beef beer. And you say beef no be na I hear you too much as I sent you there be beef beer fresh canasano. Na itwa beef tinke. Na etetangwa munum. Na yetwimo kokoko ni bi kakra. Oh. Twitwa onions kakra video gu. Na when you said you akuta uradi yesu. Eh, oni party as you wani o. Anwamo. Oh jai. What the Food Lovers Special Fragrant Rice you wrong? Koye kekese. Aya try it. Who say a day in a special way? When your usual or regular rice no. A Food Lovers Special Fragrant Rice. Or samu ne feel. Finally, I first did your man dominion about powder. A patron we no ye de J a vim and my immune system no. man who dem apabam said be ya bet me fight against every disease bia ni nyina mu no boa and normalize blood pressure feel wa heart or kidney related problem say your spine aya ni mu your ya stroke diabetes so aye adwuma keto bia out break ese pa ne ade no Dominion about powder e be di waka gina mu available where shops ahodo ni nyina mu across the country dodo pa no for any chimo on Coco was over Angel Dominion Bar Center. And yes, our phrase 020-429-6449. And now say 0543-158-195. Dominion Herbal Powder, your number one immune booster.
Jehovah increase my blessings.
Me wa guest was studio and so on your guest. Also madam for. Me ne ba bedin komo bi na komo na me ne bedin mu ohwam. But before I this an komo be bre no. Wait just a minute. There ye di tu honfo na awie yi. Okay, enra me no cha asem say yemfa ntu ye hofo e wo dwumadi so na enra me wie program no on my way home. I had a call from Opani bi pa wo kromu a na sa man no on time tina no kasa nanso oyobi a underground obadwuma pa sebe ya omaimu niema be kokko wie ni ade no na se ye na niema bi ha na etoto na jeje mu saa na ye niema basa etai ha no pa mi se edu ba bi otimi twemanim da mekasa mekasa bia nko yie ni ade mi nufie kura no afrɛ me ahoma so Jerry and na same way na o kan we da bi aya menye saa we nice presenter and koye yes ankrofo ne ma bi ene otimi twemanim pa we pe na obekwa oh but obadu es na me ka watwumani mu wi and no frame me and also na otie me na asem a me kan ye say yemfa ntuye hofo no e very necessary pa especially in times like this na senke betimi a se nyame de ochina chen a ne Friday and come and repeat the same asem na yemfa ntu ye hofo enam se meja mate ye be ne sa etimi pa cho eno asem na edi tu ye hofo no eno a ne ye to aso abato no ya to awie obekaye a ye be koto abani na ye tu ye hofo kwan ye be fa so ebetimi aya mama pa na de sese ye ya ye na de sese ye no so ya twen ho afiu na asomdwe ya ye wo mu no akoso atimi ne ya tena ene de ya to awie yiti sansem ne de adwuma omo afan ya adwuma so omo akodi adwam omo eguso twene ne de guso twen omo apira so omo apira ye ti ayi pray what I say na ni nyina mu no de aka wo enim no so no ese timi hwe ne bom ban ti se de no amekae no enasem na ye de etu ye hofo no or say Professor do not tease members of losing parties as this unkind act engenders conflict. Or say, Omanfo Adom amanyoku a ye to abayiwe ye wantimi anim kunim no odi nkuguo no. It could be say important baby a na wo you anim say parliamentary candidate we now the other nachiri ene bidum so awi omanim say candidate we so wo sa afa hana omoso tie nachiri na ye to abayiwe ye e bi ade na wo tie nachiri no odi nkunim ena ade omo aka no so tie nachiri no ono edi ntwo wo na wadi nkunim no wo ji wani a hwene ye sabe enkohuro obia odi nkuguo no enkosi na twetwe enkosre no entra so esanse saade no etimi edi wantwi ba saade no etimi de ntokwaba die besre bebre wabra yeguso a ye da Awurade ase se wabon edum pempenso a yedue no akire nyoza nti wo ye bibia no are very careful wo kasa crash or kasa mu ye yes asembia keka na wo kan because you think say you are the winning side inti no yen hwen sem we piefi animu ba at this time here woman and ekwan a ye fa so a jubilate said ye be na enkoye say directly o siri obi wu kuro no o jam siri ye binum ne kasa binum e ho nte ense ne mfata no yen twe ho firi ho na babia nyame aboan ya koduru no wakoso akurekura emu saa mema ore fi se nyame che wade na wa hunu so hwa saa de no ehwerew se nyame oche wade na wa hunu so hwa saa de no ehwerew amama ya hodo na ya ntokwa sisi wo na mo bre no mo bre enye se nyame mpe omo asem o omo nyina nyame kro na na ebo but se nyame boawo na wankasa so wa mmoa ho ahunu se ade de emmoa bi na Awurade de aboa me adum bi na asome so tiese mitimi sonso me ho na mi kurakura mu yie na wo jeja ho na ese kosu afiri nsam no ehwefo mu age agu ase ya no me da wase bebre me nka me nko akiri oye na oye ne sa ebeboa me na ebeboa wo nso na ebeboa yina ya mi hira se uti na so pem ye first so asda my proud sponsors no quickly na afi ye medin komofia pacho time herbal mixture ose say malaria fever na etete dia and treatment no ubehia a time herbal mixture wonum na ato na wontim ne dini ade nyina no ebeboa ama wanya appetite ne back wadidi ahwenkwan atede pa and afi KNG herbal capsules no so no for general well-being wonya bi na no mo a ema ho eye odin abreni abrina enrei available wo herbal shops awodo ni nem do pa na Kings Walk Herbal afi Repart Ventures Rich Jones Zidos Herbal nina eweye Okanshi Drug Lane afi ko Ecus Pharmacy oko Buy Class oko Larry and afi with them nina ewo ashama no so obenya bi ho Tribe of Judah ewo Kaswa and a Pharma Trust ewo Wager Junction yes our phrase 0244 417 669 as they do enkoma Mom's Recipe Sunflower Oil. Sunflower oil a good oil pa. I know they mean Canada. When you be the year you knew a mount pomodem was semono, a jinabrane pa. Nemum, Bakwa yatu a boss any year come a pie who try yeno. Your friend Mom's Recipe Sunflower Oil. We're doing now prepare no. Sebeye tasty. Kama when we try de pa na yes an obi obedi we na da senso no take maso na da bi stew shito jollof no ne ade ne ma o chicken ni fishy bomoden a Mom's Recipe Sunflower Oil faron na be kama your on sizes be ti di obotom be so no na wata kosi fie wadi ni kakra Mom's Recipe Sunflower Oil, a taste of goodness. They are available at market baby do pano 020 154 3938 na chese wanimu a na wokro MTN saying can't show say self activation edem dewa uni MTN mu no so na person obaso a nya fe na ko hu vendor bia na wokọ MTN office ko ya na mese there be you phone the boss star 170 hash what you say na fe why enter a 4-digit pin number wasan are enter the same number no for confirmation na fe wo yi atwatum sa na apena obe receive message be a confirm your activation but in an unlikely event say some message now pop up immediately now I contact any of our various digital platforms no and now where you see my MTN app no so now when your assistance now in no na bibia akoyi e dia ma shem so say nei utimi link your bank account no to your Momo wallet na ma brabo na very easy at the amount. Na face remember if say MTN and the most reliable, secure, the fastest, way to transact business today. And BBN now was send BBA there for not just akuye the amount. We there for you everywhere you go. As they do from police near Druno. In boost herbal mixture. Tiedini ye Boost herbal mixture. Sedro yen shiana and coronavirus. Akotwen ase de yekoye. Because na me adu baby na me dwen wa me tie ase. Me hwem redeem na me hwem redeem na me hwe baby am nanam ne ade na afia manfo bi na. Hey! Na ade na ehu. Me kai se eno kra na ye ayi. Bergamo na Bologna. Baby ase ya at the airport na ye DQ mu na nkrofo check. That's that time na social distancing zembia mamu tie ye for so a. Ba na fe na hit hopa ne ade a. Na nkrofo ye so mu screen ye ne ade a. Na passengers ni na ye de chance ye ya. Hey! Couple bi odi manim pe. Omo de ade ya am say no, Ofie Kwanso. Ah! E dey asem na be. E dey akoy kwhye ho. Afi security phone number say akwan luggage we imagine say detain. Hey! Couple anya koro. Me so me dey akoy echi ojo. Si Erade Jimmy. Ni nyina mu no boost herbal mixture ya. Because ye dey na yatene Canada say ade no. E boy immune system no dada. Etina me manom ni kro mu asa me tu kwan na amafo fa bibrem ti na eno ana me de bom ho ban eye pa no mo esaka bi omo nom yenso di hu adanse abusuan fa ni agro pe bi akira kwan na beboa mo atimi agina brane pa yare bia infection bia ba system ni mu a eno abebo na we na chese ahode na koso atena brain King's Walk Herbal, Echoes Pharmacy, Redeemer Pharmacy, Travel Judah Pharmacy, Tinatet, and then dependable bar shops. I would only know my fan baby. And I feel Health Alert Shop. It was St. John's, so could be or Little George Health Shop on so a Tema Community 5. And yes, our phrase 0243 115 948 and 0246 208 496. Now, yen sort out. Na bibia and you cool. Yet on was some of why I'm here somewhere to your own for a year. I will feel Kwanso so Adom 106.3 FM. And then Friday, we say Friday today. We call it Freestyle Friday over here. Never since I introduce Adeno. They say do be Friday on, but be before be a radio station be so a Freestyle Friday. Yes, I hear. Ye na ka bom ne ya na ede nti am fon ko yanim ti patcho na Freestyle Friday bibia timisi o show no so
Ofie Kwanso with the man Jerry Justice on Adom 106.3 FM.
My you city count me better one. Okay, Medica catch us Madame Fubakwa be coming sa e was studio ha. Menene ba be dim komo. A fantastic gentleman. Rotary company was a baby. Tiase okra be tiase. Na ewie menene won komo kakra bi. Minim so waje contract to. Would you scan by am you unu so na romi akwa ba na bibia da ye de me Adom bra pagi na no adan so ne nam landing na kakra na me udi nkomo so bai obroni ani kro to bia me ana yes
no me ya ne ba no ma no e di kana no ma na balita na me ya ne tie say no ma na ba bi do by Tuesday na no ma na
so me share dim den
wanya no chwenga ma
oh my goodness. Anyway, but say bibi aboko there.
Nyame adom.
Ye de nyame ase.
Di manamo so kakra.
Nyame ti ase. Bibia be kama. Bibia be kama. Na give us for so on what to say.
Nyame adom give us for ho ye. Say edin give us there. We say household name. Obi ani. Oti din na.
Oti ya no say.
Give us one common ye de na ma yumbre
ya. Yeah. Now, enei the woman say amount for nya say the okay what ya no what.
Yeah.
Now so obi ho no mo a.
It's true.
Ebiana for the very first time kra eneja ono so achimu ato a otie bi ni ade ti e kan kra no wo se anakrofo asembe nom kan eti wayani kakra ma enwi na fe wi a ya bowura nkomo no
ene anwumbre ema atiefo ne ahwefo nyina I said radio na both
TV that first no uti be try bu akra ye bi na o hwe wa de bi odu ba bi kra oh no uti bi kra you shirt bi ni ade because sometimes bi na o temana ye bo adwuma na esi no enya fort bi na studio why shit. That's at times I say joke gumu me fire ne ada. Told you me him shirt. And you go you shirt ye. I'm on for a show. YouTube ni Facebook ni wa ne ada. Oh, aye video.
I say ni ti e be chia hwefo so. Na ya chia tiefo so. Na ya momu mienu nyina akwaba. Okay, anwumre me ba ya say dem kan na ye din givers ne de nam.
Sure.
Na givers no efitete ene ye wo ho. Adom ha de efie no ya ba brochirefo eti nyina ti en kasa. Na menu ya wi me ba ya me pese me ma ye hwe problem bi e ha mema kakra. Kwasi boni frɛ no impotence.
Hey.
And I say be a erectile dysfunction.
I want the members row.
Me na doubt. Na me no be share experience. Me sure say be a wo hu sa ade no.
Okay.
Na say me call London me ko hu ade bi ma me yam hye me ba bia. Me call e no na omo free sama no mu a. I say I want no ba me call no I want to start here no. Ah me su no say we call dem.
Oh and there sa no mo ka.
Na hu ni ade bi na me hu ye na me yam hye me. Ahomache hu ye nka me ahomache de.
Yeah.
Me betene na nkaja.
O say full
Mani bati bia mi hu hwe. Enti na mi suro mi say obi atumi na.
Odwe no.
Sa esi awon no ba. Abrochirefo no bro mo bre no. Awon ba no yire da hokrampo so mo kura kwaku sore. Enti me ya na musa afen ma hu die enti a. Say abrochi ni bia hu say wo ba so okay bre me power ni bi why. Sa na weda ni enti no. Kwaku ni ye stubborn wo ho. O boso tawen said dem was on sorry. Into one we abeka say atu adro. Na wie you know, ye ni ho nkomo kakra. Be ba cho erectile dysfunction ni nyina na ye say bi be ma okwakudo so no ade ensan enti ne ye fra no ntoma no. Be ma okwakudo so no entumi engina so yie. Ana say bia oni oba edi mpaso agra said there was enkwakunu tumi gina so che no. Untumi nya ne sa. Ase entumi nyina so nche yi a ena kwasi broni frɛ no impotence and say erectile dysfunction no na de atia ne sɛ etasi sɛ de meka sɛ wo mu a utumi hu bi sometimes kra no wona wo yire ana sɛ wo girlfriend ofia na mu di agra I say ade no a chance na wa mani mu so normal wo mu a once na wa hu sa de no ba wo de no etoatoa so consistent sana
ya ko sɛ de suban no
na say ade no problem yaba na obi bebusa sɛ ede na mprimpi no ede sa impotence problem no bre mema Minia edoso na ye bebo kakra bi so se de be ya obi abehye ne so de tie nie be ma bia okwakudo so no entumi ema ne musu yie entumi enya na ho de ensese enya na tumi akodi na gro a ese dia obebusa ho se na ye ne de ba ne sen now ba ko ye medical conditions emprempi no obi owo diabetes etanya sa problem no anase obi a or any heart related problems bia no sa nipa na tanya de friend impotence anase erectile dysfunction no de tosumi no so eye tobacco tawa ya bronsanta wa yi ya wo mse kan bronsanta wa nti haban ya ukọ geto a boys na itu amon ngusie eno so no wotwe ne bebre a etimi di sa ha no brew ebiem wo han so unumbi na mom de bia akọja obi wo geto na wotena babi na omonom na ngusie no gu so no sa ngusie na gu so bebrebe ni nyina no etumi e ma osofa de efe ne erectile dysfunction and say impotence no afi kese yo bebrebe on say emema titru a yefunu so no because of say yefunu no eye kese nyina na expand te basa na wase ho no kwakunu ho no na twenam no biba te basa na kwakunu na kakra bi te basa nso na etumi ma osofa de efe ne impotence ne bi
okay
ebiem obi wo ho a wanya injury bi ewo sa side ho sa injury no so ebetimi di sa impotence problem na bro ebi so de psychological ne ya dwendwen no etoda utumi se wo sori ye no botomu nye obai susu pese woni ni di agro osusu ti wo nyina no plans na wo fa wo dwen se wo kanyi bia akra no me half float ye da ba bi men den me sori ye me kai kra fuel ni men den ti wo ti wo nyina wo tempa no so nyina wo dwen but oba no susu no opese wo so ni mu sa tam no oba no be gro ho sa kwaku no sori enye bibia se stress no adwendwen no dia wo dwen no eni ba bi oba no gro ko no emfa enya de kro ebiem so no yes enhia mo abira kra depression any anxiety na se ni nyina ya adwendwen kuro ya mesre se wo sa problems ahodo amabobo so nyina na ebetum de efe no impotence anase erectile dysfunction no abro na ebasa adura awiei anase nwumbre me kanfo de ama no eye givers p capsules me ba cho givers p no pini gina homa power enti ba bia obehia givers p no bia no pini gina homa power no enti givers p capsules no na wa pe givers co capsules na ka bomu now on say kwaku agro ya yedi no eye normal ba mienu miensa na eye adwuma pa usisi enti ba ma bia usisi problem mo bia na say adwuma we untumi ni ye because sisie no so play major role pa won paso agudie no say ekuro e wo sisi mo a o wan sisie na nye ye adwuma so say o wan sisie no e say o wan sa ba say ekuro wo sisi mo a o wan a enwan ti e ba sa na obedi kanum givers co capsules no now de bia me ka say obi sisi ye ne ya yan kofa topa ye me unse ya ekuro ye ya de topa egu so na ekuro na wu ana say bia GV odi ye kuro no so na wu ana se nsuohye na odi amia but obi a ne sisi kuro wom de kwaku odi nsuohye mi anyi
o le fine na ya
afi o ka so de topa ye so anyi me pa tro sisi mu kuro no na duro e givers co capsules se no so the whole Ghana ha me de me say simi bu na me ka cho se o yoba ana bema na wo sisi ade wanum nuro di nyina bi na sisi ade no nkwa wonya givers co capsules na beboa wo now ekum ekuro ni nyina wo sisi mu na boa ma sisi no mu ada ho ama otimi anwan sisi no afi ebesa yi flames amama bia wo sisi mo be yi nyina afiri ho because flames no so tumi ma empaso agudie no ekofom enti amama no beko na ekuro no so awu na wanum givers ko na ayi sa pains ni nyina ne sa amama ni nyina afiri awie no na power no p capsules no eno so akoye wo bema na nkasa no ho adwuma onse kwaku se bi kwaku no manimu so wo bema no manimu so tambia no emema no de ye de anim minim se ma no mo so wadwen koso saa ye wontini bia ye bema no ho saa ntini no se obema bia obema manimu so na entini ni ho ade aka nyina ye meat ena mo se meat bia so de ahodi bia anim ena mutumi so mkrati ni se na what you say enti se entini no ni ho oh yes se entini ni ho
asano de no na ho
no asampa so de etia now enti se o ye bema na entini no
aiza waku won wa twa entini fi ya ka no wo de ahwe ye
enti se entini ni ho e ba sa be enam no nko anam no so de o ni se da ho kakra kwakwa fini ti mesre so ye bema na entini na bia ho no o bema na mani muso na hu ntini ne pe na je se o free system no ano na e free system no so spe ene utiati what you say nti e basa na ntempa na no ko pe givers p capsules no nanom na entwitwi entini na pese e free ho ni nyina na nsamra biem afe bema bia ahomache nkramofo tiam Allahu Akbar na beti woni na okwakudo so no adabia no e bo nkae se ni dabre munye na sitina munye bema bia de ahomache wo se wo be soro ne no na obema na nya ne dada on se ka bia wo be start ya kwaku o check oil na o check nsuo na o ha engine se bibia yo okay ahomache na wo wada no e na bema no soro check sa no mani nyina sabre ameti yi o soro check enyi yi ko nipa kura
e be hadwe
na ma brante ba ko titrotro
be ka se na kwai adwumboni ade no mo awie no
akwa bi o titrotro bo a ge bi tin nche na am se ge na hye mini skirt kakra to hu ne sere
wa hwa fili
minia afi akwa isi o so nti obi esi akọ no kwasa ade na mani muso ama ontimi si
obere na se enye yi
afi driver se unsi de lokeka no afo se mami si afi onsi ne sa nim ho nye kra yes nti e ba sa na mesere se eye anadwumum ena wo se obema no e check ni oil ni sa no man nti ahomachi bia obeti woni no na ejina mu now se wo ye bema na sa problem no o fam mema o kasanwa ko pe givers p capsules na pe givers co capsules no fasando mienu we bom na enkenya na ensa ni nya no biem na wo mensem no emra bema de bia me kasa wo sika se den na wadwuma nso ani wo mpamu a ema na beba but obepe Mr. Otua na wanya Mr. Odi so nchen na de na ya pa ne se wo sika na wo hwese wo girlfriend na wo yire na ebia slum area bi edan bi edi kiosk na bobo na wo hwe abrosan pa wo yire dam na wo sie free abrosan so ko kiosk
ya ko hwe ho e ko dia hwe no ena wo sa dan tu
no kwa na ho ti mesre be ma de enye be ma ne de wo botai enye be ma ne de wo hye shu nko awo be ma ne de sabi ne yire timi di ne ho danse ema wo skapa but be ma nsa na be di obasika na je se watumi ama who say yes, we are Bema. We see a mema bebre, but manu say difference womb. You was said yes, Bema. You would you must say Bema. Or bad ye, yet we are benefiting bebre. And tis a winya bida, and you give us P capsules, and he give us co capsules. No, and I say, oh, yes, I don't find your car. Benefit when you know. On the Mama, Papa Bill say, I know person Becca as a benefit when you yes, benefit. Dear dance here. Oh, say, I get ya. Kanans kani oh kwa kumema mekasanwa enche bia me de beba na the American say ning na mu no we ne nya aphrodisiacs no we nya China nduro na wonom ya na kwaku na tepranga no mesro we no de esesio ye ho adwuma ma it's a natural way good until that benya match no that benya match na bon say give us na ye adwuma sa wonom no sesi ane de a unhu hwe o but that obekọ agro no ho abekọ agro pananso referee bebom na mo be hyase no obebọ adwuma say Ronaldo ni Messi ya kan wo bom no enti Messi ba bia wo Ghana ha ye to aduro bia no obenya give us P capsules eni ko no bi na boawo sisi ade no kọ no na mama ayamtimi ni nyina ekọ ema no soso no munumbo mu amubebu mu saka ma moja ne be flow monti pace bia won fachire ho biem mo be kọ akobu mu sa wa bra pace bia mba ni nyina ne say give us P ni ko no aka bom dia me de sorry so no ye give us mesha we dey just 1 minute okay me pa cho give us about mesha no eno ye malaria typhoid jaundice any fever drew me pa cho obi say oh malaria dey normal obi onya malaria so normal me pa cho malaria kura kum say HIV is malaria kum say COVID-19 na say ye no ye mbusa ayade ni ntino oba ye say normal yade no say de say kum koda ne ma no ye ka say kan ebrebeko me pa cho malaria no wadro typhoid no wadro jaundice no wadro fever no wadro afi untumi ndidi ohunam nyina ye oya waposo nyina ye oya obeda so na kotodue wabasa wababia woti pensa kope give us about mechananom enro we nyina no FDA for approve omoje atum say tobi nanom na mo Ghana ha ba bia to do bia benya bi titi ni okanshi ji number no ne enso na na dio asa number no betuda ozi kwaku if he has some in his car take 2 for me and let me send you momo why I don't know Obadiana that be yes and you see do oh my goodness eti the number no that number no me ya wo dey message ne buy no the number frame me ankasa na me fama me ba cho mon frame number we ni monko mo say wo Ghana say wo abrochire fo no kwa dey post the bremo ye meli the bremo eti frame number we ni nkomo 0543 222 470 me ba cho 2 near me answer 222 0543 222 470 0543 222 470 nti kwaku anwumre me ba ha na wada roma akwanya de ma me no nsempa me de nam no enam de nyina gu nsem no so de papa ayi na me hwe ayi bi o won bi Facebook no ma me na ayi de dini yawo geto o se eyam papa tiates asem na aka na tinamuz ena na asem no de otimi se o se Nana Romeo can sell a draw in trotro pa Nana edase tidamu for a message here why That's right. Usutie 106.3 FM. Ghana's #1 radio station. Yemfa we empapa kwam kakra na yebesan atoa so akoyanim. Your friend Charles Kwadwo Fosu aka Daddy Lumba. Me dono. Yawa. Yeah. Dono, me don. Odedo. Yeah, no. Odomi. Odedo. Come on, tell them. Onye me medicine. It's your son,
Happy birthday, Uncle Emma, Mr. Victor Kwesi Akowa. We are Deputy CEO at the African Diamond Cable Company Limited. Signal cable for. And then happy birthday, Pa, Uncle Emma. Oh, yes, Signal Cables of our African Diamond Cable Company Limited. Mr. Victor Kwesi Akowa. Enjoy your birthday. Why no campaign? Na ebia de lumba kanina no on sha dante ase. Se me dono na. Emu de nina. On sha da enyi ho. Eno na wo fi lumba ho. Na okọ dada kwakudua. Dodo na friend dada kedia. Obeka cho say hey. Charles Kojo fusu dad lumba. Oye bad pa. Yo kan nyina no. E odo mu ani je no woka. Warriors here. Yeah.
Adom FM. Adom FM. 106.3. Ghana's most authentic radio station. Hey, Tom.
Tune it in. Turn it up. Turn it off the knob.
You're not doing happy, but Sanya, see, I mean, I don't need a side. Me between me and you, what to do? Oh, no, soon back. Now, send you, see, I need it. I don't mean yes, me between me and green, what to do? All up, soon back. Down, oh, no money, yeah, menya. No money, yeah, menya.
Bra Oswin. Banyala Arwati. Please wish Mr. Shine Akim Tosu, Marketing Manager, Promasidor Ghana Limited, a happy birthday for me. Yes. With the Kate of the Multimedia Group. Oswin so actually come up. Eti Mr. Shine, happy birthday to you. May the mighty one bless you. Enjoy your new age. And a happy birthday also going out to my lovely sister, Lisa Chocho Noye of Prince of Peace Methodist Church, Tabora. And this one's coming from our baby and Yunyam Benedicta and Na Ashuka. Jerry, I thank God for the life of my beautiful niece, Skylar Aseda Kukua Wallace of Bronx, New York, as she turns 1 today. We love her so much. From Rashida, Elijah, and Aliyah, wishing her a happy birthday. And ye Kukua Wafa, Miss me wish you happy birthday, Wati. Happy first anniversary to you. Nyamenka hona enyi ebeye panipa ewo Yesu dim. Amen. And this one here says, on your birthday today, I want to wish you a year with loads of fun, excitement, and beautiful memories. Happy birthday to you, James Apia, Jadu of Aguna Swedro. And this one is coming from Prince Nete. Sena kwadwofo su na sha ase Daddy Lumba eno se me dono na odo oh ena dada kedi ba no so hwe de woka wanu ni na ayodo mu ni je bia wanya nti no yesa when a Lumba jina nche ono hwe di no se he o dada kedi over da we o be cheme kasa bibu odo mu ni je bia se sa na tie dia se sa pa na tie dia ene na che se mato dum what I say Oda ODO Oda Bashe mommy kana Daddy Lumba on mano or vibes pow seriously utie nu repadi tenwaso di na tie nsem no o se ensuo ben ne fe no do na anywhere bass for na minim de man no person kire ho Sabi better for breaking. Senator say, ensure ben a deodo, ensure ben a deodo. Moman in Kotomwe say, ensure say a friend or dopa dia, and enough for me. Aye, who's a one at your donors? So take come away. Francisco said to you, or say, I didn't wash it down. Men shed that AODO Odo. Let's go, y'all. Freestyle Friday. Oh, from the piano. Abba.
Adom FM 106.3, Ghana's most authentic radio station.
Sao don't know to where you and ye. Welcome forever and ever. Now, when I said what told Domini said they would describe funny at the Adeno. Obia onye sa experience no. Ujina chen the obekansa kodo you to lege pa. But wait till you fall in Odot River. Then you know say yeah. Medra full so correct no what I say. And they mean GHD. On te ase afansa.
Destroy my life. Every day is fighting the forcing, every day is forcing the fighting. Every day is fighting the forcing, every day is forcing the fighting. Give me a gun, fly away. Give me a gun, fly away. Give me a gun, fly away. Give me a gun. Come on, why wanna come destroy my
106.3. This is Adom FM 106.3.
Ofie Kwanso with the me, Jerry Justice on Adom 106.3 FM.
I'm
Against Fona Kuma. Lumba. Oh, Davy. Anyways, special shouts going out to you, my good friend Moses Esiama, Atlanta, Georgia, or United States of America. One correct guy. Joe Mafio pa meton catch. I link you up what? Atlanta now near Mobina person the bagana. Ship up Papa Bia and Champ Abranti. Correct guy pa. Moses Esiama. You me chow. To chema pa. Na yegusu e kan say ya nkrofo bi say yedru nkrofo bi say yedru no. On todo mu awan hwa unu de okay. Oh, oso no ano ni be wu. But unfortunately, odo what the man nyina no. Sena girl no e wo ba e wo ho dadaada. Na the ba no so osuanso onso sa. It is akola nani ate. Etu ohun se man no tai ba ne maame ho no. No akwai. Oba ha wan hwa obefa taste. Eti man no. You go osre. Say man no hihye adwuma na fini fie wa ho. No no oba ne keka no say okay. Eti oba no timi say why tintan dada no oba because wa hihye adwuma no asa na wo sikura so. Onya bedu ya pe. Na woman ni bai aye say the order so say obo a. Man no bo modern de keka na fe ya na asset awie no. So be fire. Akran se my come de me. Ubedi dey. My yellow puna. Abi curious no more. Esa pena wa makapo. Je say ne madwed na aka ne yom. Nine 924, let's go. Family bedroom. Money.
I'm bomb man from my temperature rising. Me bomb party cracker.
Oh, what a feeling.
Me come around.
Oh, baby, man.
Sabe going on it. Oh, friend, mechi, friend. I be going on baby. I be watching me feeling. Me might do a camera. I be going on baby. I be watching me feeling. Me might do a camera. Man, I do ya when you're in. I be going out there.
I beg you, sir, and from the no.
I bet you ready to be also ready for now. And I'm missing ready a
Combat B on Twitter says, good evening, Jerry. The selection be dope. Wow. Thank God it's Friday. Love no catch you before. Yes, we catch you before you go understand. You know what I mean? A shout's going out to you, Benny Sesiama. Listening to the show all the way in New York. Yeah. New York City for what to say. Is that Abanuma? Abanuma abeku. Na eno na afe abrantie nso eye ya. Na otimi ni obai kika ya ma afe. Solution e ba ne se NSS na tie de a. Ene na ese yetimi epe neutral grounds. Enti ye best san location no. Said de be ya abeku bia emetete. Enti se na enye se wo boapa ena na wayi wani ahye wo ba abeku na o tete me de a. Ene enumrei baby a ya ba neutral grounds you there. Bomoden a na epese wo ho na menhwe. Ah, koda wezo a. Yewa. Show baba.
Ofie Kwanso with the man Jerry Justice on Adom 106.3 FM.
Any brain sorry was so never was someone never go ya feel where we need moment be wonderful sagu robert so if you na pro let my old yarando yeah baby na dachi onya so ye di begu let my old yaranko Friday suwe dada wo mama sha and we give prayers let's say wo mama sha Friday suwe dada wo mama sha and we give prayers let's say wo mama sha
Yeah, Jenny, na me Kyle say COVID-19 goes around. Tiano are very careful why. And they go and say can't show say buying fuel stations how do need na near business how you safe joke. Nina say be follow the following protocols on the BBA ko ye the amount. Make sure so be wash on with soap and running water. You provide in service stations Nina across the country. Now, if you walk over anyone know with tissue, I'll be a best sneezy and I'll be coffee. We dispose it off into a bin immediately. Yeah. Now, if you are not in a position to wash your hands, I know what you use alcohol-based hand sanitizers, EB, and also be boapa. Now, I keep you a minimum distance of 1.5 meters from other customers and our fuel attendants. Or face mask, and the menu I see here say every time be a public place be an say utimi share. They recommend this a bayanka use your go card no. Electronic payment card no, the go card. Let me have one more minimize the cash transactions. Goyle. Yeah, idea. Airtel Tigo free morning offer no so go switch them den den. When you be fast to enjoy this and say obeto new Airtel Tigo sim no make a transaction with Airtel Tigo money. Now what me I enjoy free morning calls from 5 a.m. to 10 a.m. for 6 solid months. Now if you're already registered on Airtel Tigo money, simple, but what they are dial is *110#. What select option 2, then you subscribe for the morning offer for only 2 cities. Now sir, no pay bills with me Edico Consensus for free. So don't waste time at all. Buy an Airtel Tigo SIM today and get talking. Airtel Tigo money. Life is simple. You know what I'm saying? Things just got peckier with the new Peck Choco. Yes, it is tastier, crunchier, and worth every bite. With just the right blend of milk and chocolate for every chocolate lover. Yes, you've got to try it today. So go out there and grab a pack now. Pack up your day with Peck Choco. Woody Jumedia be no cram Mastercard so they do any problem. Show na fa. Ukra baby out me do juma baby out me dim ransom. What I say? Ya to be true be near free be near there. Mastercard so they safe and secure. Tell me bia. What I say? Them are Memphis and Mastercard they are the official sponsor of the UEFA Champions League. Awesome country say don't just watch it. Leave it. Bahu Jimbi. Dimuye. Ebacho unyama MTN momo no so na pese obaswa se se unya se woko MTN office and now call who vendor be say on activate ma. You can do it yourself and not any friend is self activation. All you need to do is to first dial *170# for MTN momo, then you select your 4-digit PIN number, re-enter that PIN number to confirm it. We understand we will be receiving message here confirming your activation. But in an unlikely event, says our message, I'm popping up. No, but more than contacting in various digital channels, and now you see my MTN app, for further assistance. And also take note, say, near with me, I'll link here or bank account to your Momo wallet to make life even more easy. MTN Momo is your fastest, secure, and most convenient way to transact business today. Terms and conditions apply. Just Momo it everywhere you go. And remember, we did for you everywhere you go. China bounce, I'm in the way. There's a mommy, and DJ Priaso, that's a mommy. Nanyame Adom tomorrow, the 12th of December 2020, and I'm come on one boom say Okunu any oyere. Yes, I am talking about Joseph Entry Baden and Esther Minta Labi. Omo ka omo ho abom so okunu ni ore fefe kama pa nyame ya adom a ochina ewo Presbyterian Church of Ghana Emmanuel Congregation wo ensawam it ochina 12:30 pepe kaina shase. Wishing you guys well. Nyame onto insurance nu ma ware so now this beautiful union entna afebo na enye fefe. Wishing you guys well. And this one is coming from Mrs. Letitia Mensah to you. And the story continues. Now, the woman say Abranti ya or catch and say any so domedia person home na mention. Ampa obana fanya kwadro e na opese ne ho ane ade a na se de omudi asa no eso obema nani e ma ofa feeling pa enti afi no pese okofeda e no se ye twisu acha na se de aye de asete etu ohima se de wa pese ho ama me na matwiwa ye di ase yi de ene ye nkofie ne ento aso preko and no ban him no say gentleman come again. Oh say ade de afantinka yenye yi and no see you truly and yes say tria na opa kotwi keke na say odo me pa de a first things first what I say now first things first ni na say atola so ye na wa fili na unya ya nka de be adwuma de a ene dikan koye me ho ade ansa enye sa pa de a say I go allow you make you touch me do the thing there forget
This is Adom 106.3.
You can't touch me. Oh, me one dear sweetie. This you can't touch me. Cause I want to see me. Send a cry and to send you. We do back of trader. But I want to hear me. Oh, me one dear darling. This you can't touch me. Obano, this you can't touch me. Darling, this idea you can't touch me. Oh, me one dear sweetie. This idea you can't touch me. Cause I want to see me. Send a cry and to send you. We do back of trader. What I want to hear me. Oh, me one dear darling. This idea you can't touch me. Obano, this idea you can't touch me. Obano. Send me a cool. I didn't want to dish and minty. I was a me for a go. Although can't turn this season coming no be a open me. Until I rent your house, open me a go home bush for. Very my American when India and the NK will say, Break. Come for me one dear darling. These are the hand you can't touch me. You can't touch me so then she said, Mama. Soon I'm do better. Nana Puaja Casa, a Costa so connect cheese. I'm ready to see you. Yaga wire fan share with fit. You need my power, one sitting in the for a drunk contact. Make sure and Tamapa, my edge and Sampa. The planet of a don't tell me so more. Come for me one dear darling. This are the how you can't touch me. You can't touch straight up. What I want to hear me. Don't feel like me one dear darling. This idea you can't touch me. Obano, this idea you can't touch me. He said, "We been by me, Jima deserves of what he said." He said, "I want in a bunch of bodies, one yen. A movie where my come funny, you don't go see me. Not a morning captain, don't see a man and breed by me. They're watching so what he see a one, but I'm a man and it's so in it. Don't feel like I am one dear darling. These are the air you can't touch me. These are the air you can't touch me. Don't feel like I am one dear darling. These are the air you can't touch me. Don't feel like I am one dear sweetie. These are the air you can't touch me. That's how you want to see me.
All right, so yeah, to our story, no so where that's the bread and Ofie Jamina, the late Ofie where you can't touch me. It's said an American story. Into your face, or balance so catch and say yes, I do Ophelia uncle if you don't call anyone. The answer you can't touch me. I bet man I eat a cranny at that. Depending for B77 noms. Now, all right. Everybody say Tiana, you can't touch me. Then this and Oba na day. At the end of the sea.
These are the air you can't touch me.
I'm gonna be sad now. No say share. The next question more who? What your monk on go beside that lumba? No lumba ben. No so charge go for you. Ade. Don't be so lumba. No say share. Why no? Did you again say you can't touch me? No. Somebody pa. Asaka kra no mo sa wo mo peso mo no. Hey you so hanu ami so hanu. Touch me. Also so ne boni sa. Oh, Charlie, I can be kind Facebook phone message Nika Krabat. Me here in Ira. I'm over here, man. I didn't know if you could do that. Facebook. Yes, I mean, better to me for you should die. Baby, I'm the pa. And you be back. And you be on America. I drove was you at it. Okay, so looks like Facebook there. I'm on for told more. And I say emojis na there. So shouts to you, Emilia Amponsa. And then to you, Christiana Ama. When is how when and that's you, Dennis Odro. Moyanesa, Maxwell Owusu. I say, bro, NDC people need this song. Which song are you talking about? I don't know which one you're talking about. Okay, Sikaya is watching you live from London. And then Kelvin Danso, I say, Jerry, my shouts to my niece. Hey, Debbie, my niece. Wow, 86-year group. Love them all. And you too, good show. Dinah Kwate. No emojis now. Sa, won't come anymore. Elizabeth Akoto Jesiwa. I see you were missed. Only I get a team. We're back, yeah. Ramsey, I watch it. I'll say hi. Any one's low. Kobe Jones is no, Kobe Jonas. I'll say good evening. Good evening to you, bro. Nicholas Obin said, Jerry, indeed, you are a radio gem. What? And you do what? And this one is coming in from Ni Ama Ashite. Ashiboy. I'll say, Jerry, you are making my day. And I feel so Sofo Hene Eko Akom. I say good morning, Jerry. Let me say baby or good morning, dear. Kwesi Judah Mu Kwesi no Judah Mujata. Oh my! I say I'm truly enjoying the songs from Silver Spring, Maryland, in the United States of America. Okay, good to know you are in tune. And also to remind you that on TuneIn, no, we are not on that app anymore. So download the Adom online app. No, once you download that app, show be your and I say be an hour appointment between me and make it NTR. You can go back anytime and listen to it over and over and over again. You know what I'm saying? So make sure you download the Adom online app, no? Yeah. Bet me ATM also 24/7. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Okay, young trust you Roberta Yaba Amandi. I say, Jerry, I'm enjoying my birthday with your program. And a happy birthday to you. Faustina Entry Boy Siako JC. I say greetings from London. Trust all is well with you all. Yes, we all keeping well, dear. Yerepa Ama Ukubia Boache also on Facebook say Jerry. Oh yeah, Akola Bonipa. Menu Mizwaza. Ni Ama Ashite. Ashiboy. Mahu emoji no. Lie. I say I love this program too much. Safuhine Akom once again. And then Kelvin Sian Owu. I say Jerry Justice today. We are in love lectures. Yes. Mr. Love, Doctor, keep healing us with the beautiful songs. All we need is love. In these times, shouts going out to my wife to be Ruth Papo of Nado's collection and all Ofie Kwanso WhatsApp group members. That's good. Quite Show me baby. Evelino the Unbreakable our France, Strasbourg. I say good evening, Jerry. Shy. You they kill us with stories, so you they big keke. Alright, check the time now. 25 minutes after 5 on 106.3 FM. Hobby Blinks. I want to say I'm in love with your choice of tracks. And then your movie ko anymore. Son, I hope so. Udine I'll say watching you from Berlin. Jerry, you are. Then when you are Dion. So where do you even Facebook for one kind of Elizabeth Latte say, you are a good storyteller. For me, say, yeah. Cynthia do say, Brian Jerry. And then John Adams says, yes, sir. Big ups to Papa Bills. Papa Bills will be so shower. And then Tom Paul. Also, I've been enjoying the program from UK. Nice one there. Edith Simpe. I'll say thank you. Okay. And then this one says, fine story. Did you hear then? Sted Jones D. Say it shall say did you moody be kumi on Facebook or Rocky Tete. I said, Brian, the king of drive time. How I wish 6 p.m. never come. And yeah, 6 9 we have a one man cry. I did. Okay, Edward or Hinneman say I'm enjoying your show from Croydon. And then Ernest Lomo, I say thank God it's Friday. I just closed from work. You are making my you are making my day all the way from Sweden, Malmo. And I Sunny Bar. Jerry, good evening. Watching you live from Medina, and I feel this track. Keep playing the song for me. You do all. I don't know which track you're talking about. Maybe it might be the one still at the background, though. George Boama says, Jerry, I always enjoy. I say program no person can, but what's the problem? I say, Jerry, you didn't read my comment and you jumped. Oh, really? I read yours. And you now didn't blinks become. Yeah, I read it. Elizabeth Akoto Jesua says, we feel proud when you read our messages. The fact is that me, I'm not on Facebook. When our Facebook app, no, I'm on my phone. So it is a wine bio. And you see, this I have pressure. What has I say? LPM's new Gumisusana when you terminate Charlie. And yeah, easy. Unse next Friday, unse we my me adverts will be see me LPMs now. My wrong we on. It's a crime. A crime, but why not? I'm wrong, mommy. I'm there. You wrong, why? Theophilus, Kwejo Arthur. I said, Roger, please, so the thing the man told you that party A or party B will win. Ya can't want somewhere we and radio young queen. Roger, I'm watching you live from Egypt. Okay, on only Dino, Boaben Kwabena Tola. Na Tola, now I tron is whichever way. Dogby, Pamela. I say, Jerry, I'm loving the program. Good to know you're loving it. Sandra Amankwa also says, I'm watching you as usual from Oslo, Norway. And my favorite station. Yes. Keep up the good work, Jerry. Have a good weekend and keep safe. We'll surely do that. Okay, I see. And now story back could be over. Me de eta to a man of madame ho eh den afia mbeka sana say na madame ho abasisi a on na sa story ne say oso me bone no oso me so bone no o kan ho asem na awie o kan ho asem nya say no no ankasa no ade no akonu mu yi but de di kan si ye no be you can't touch me no ne ade na na afi no be so bone ne ade no ene e ma ono so ejigai no say ne kra kire de na o kire ho sa enu yi film eti afi okọ na we na ko hwe se de ade no ko din no so oh ade pa de ade no manye kra ma mrebre manu din afi de hwe so okọ ye me na me ho akire mi ye ho hwe nye yi ene se sa de a baby a wo bia no me se frɛ wo eti se wo na ye nko ade a ene ejime so na ye nto aso na de no emu ye. His name is Daniel Abrantia Machide, my friend. The entire way back can story no hono. I mean, kind message no one from all of you. I say good evening, Brad Jerry. Thanks so much for playing my favorite all-time song. ABC Ayedro. Please add me from by a match the day to make my day. My name is Eddie Boy. Listening to you with Agnes Jimfria, Na Echa, and then Ohene from Croydon. It's nice on a best story. Please, you know what I'm saying? I ran to a match the day. Let's go, y'all. A Krappin brother said, thanks for the songs today. You too, thanks for listening, yeah? And now, Wawuda, your from sister Abena. Dodona from Josephine Ajimai. Yes. And now say Josephine Ajimai. Sister Abena. Happy birthday to you. Nyame onshao. Na onshao. Na onsan enshao biu. The other one sabeka bian so omenye nshira. Oma wasumdwe. Na oma enije ewo wabrabom abreni nyina ewo Yesu di say shansem we nyina afimi ame ma menchen eye Mama Lit of Mama Lit Afro Shop Dortmund, Germany. Or say nyame onshao as you celebrate your birthday today. Enjoy. Greetings going out to Alberta. There be Alberta. It will be Alberta. Malcolm. Our Tema Community 1. Good to know you are in tune and enjoying the show. Facebook for who send me kind of messages no. 1,000. Kasa me trust for 6 be bokra mi radio. I'm fucking crazy one. Agnes if you are mensa. I was enjoying the show in Italy. Reggio Emilia. Hey, Reggio Emilia phone now I want to say me chicha munina. Sister Bedu. Onu kruni abusia phone na mi chiamo. Na feel bright. Also me chiao. Madu Reggio Emilia dia ufi oba pa makwan wa. Na mencha big girl. Na mencha ye pastor usu. Mencha very mensu. Kase me kan listen wa. Enti mu nyina me chicha mu nyina. Agnes Efrifa says, Jerry, you make my day. And then Prince also says, hi Jerry, watching you live from Buffalo, New York City, US, which is in Komobia. And Kwabena Kisi, I'll say, Jerry, watching you live from Kanda Estate. Cynthia Arthur Mensa, I'll say, greetings Jerry from London. George Boama says, I'm enjoying your program. Elizabeth Akotuji once again says, Jerry dear. Say, Wofa. I tell you, Trina came to say, Jerry dear. Say, Wafa, Adrian Dada. Untiobia. Nano Swift Minebe. Sikaya. Hey. Mrs. Lordina Bill Gates. Sikaya Lordina Bill Gates' mom. Our cried in London. On also 8 years Median. Comfort as you do. As I'm enjoying the show. Pa. Office Stephen Fosu. I say, hey, Jerry, the storyteller. You are the best on radio. No wonder. I say, no wonder, Papa. I mean, your producer. Bless you more. Greetings to my lovely father, Kobina Fosu Esiama, from a village called Ochre Kwisi Ataguna Inkum. Your message is near DOS. DOS so pa.
And Kobe Justice. Nokia smartphones abano and no one be can wasem. Nokia new Android smartphones you are more megapixels. Nisenti e ma pictures ni videos pop heavy. Nokia new Android smartphones you fast. So what they call internet content so Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, umiaswa. Let them Nokia batteries there. We are singing a D1 dance here. One new Android phones which charge a jinaswa they say jinaso. Also when you bet new Nokia Android smartphones you will Nokia 7.2, Nokia 2.3, Nokia C1, and now Nokia C2, and now Nokia new slick phones or the Abanibi. Call phone shop be a bear one. Now you will Nokia phones is here. Nokia, it keeps getting better.
That first whistle is more than just the start of a football match. It's the start of friendships. It's you screaming your lungs out. It's the joy of your team's equalizer. The exhilaration of scoring the winning goal. It's a sigh of relief after hearing the final whistle. It's celebrating your team being crowned champions. That first whistle is just the start of something priceless, where you don't just watch it, you live it. MasterCard, official sponsor of UEFA Champions League.
Charlie, no your football appointment too. Hey, oh no, football. Charlie, football season na shasi o. Intimidate say no English Premier League, La Liga, any Italian Serie A show weekend bia. Say good team is why they rough. Say leagues when you go team so. Oh, break kwa. We bet you Dutch Eredivisie, MLS, EFL, and Scottish Premiership na e ESPN so. Go TV there football power so live. Go TV weekend there. Football season for free. Yo, Sika so far so. You will Go TV decoder, Go Tenor, 1 month subscription pay so, and your 109 Ghana cedis pay. Download my Go TV app, not also, and now pay by the point, and now mobile money agent to be our Ben one chow tum. Now who's what we share football papa, and we in super sports channels are yes, Shemukin so. And you share Kakao home. Go TV, live it, love it.
Everyone upon on do dear. Not Ghana for bay 5 million. Not what to say. Bay and Brenu. What's what you watch a line?
Have you heard? Say Airtel Tigo calls and you freeze. Busumisia. Ayo, sa pepe. So what to Airtel Tigo sim? Now the Airtel Tigo money no did you bia and no calls and you freeze. Busumisia. Spread the news here. Now when it here. Conconsano gele. Could you Airtel Tigo sim and
Airtel Tigo. Life is simple.
Akwenshia wo esida ebetumi ye fidie akwenshia ana ebetumi ya akoma yare ana emdwodwe mpo nia wudi kan ye no ehia pa se ya de wankasa wanya akwenshia ana wo hu akwenshia a fra 112 menya muaye intem efri efidie a wode fa ayarefo ani nya akomatoyem efise efidie a wode fa ayarefo bebro hasa na abagana fra 112 wonre a wapomodin mu ayedin nejewo eni wabusiafo eni wadofo enkwa 112 emwa beba 112 nya hubambo memfre emre a wuhia moa esanse ebetumi ama obi a ohia emwa enkwa efri ninsa ye omamba pa
Ewra, me pacho bra na me hwa de wo bag yi.
Bra, aden, enen so biem.
Time heba me hye ya me kan se yi ba akun, ani wayi me ensen.
Bra, sanya time heba me hye, esi agye me ni me fiefo enya de abako ebeso yen.
We de udi se ofa ni nyina.
Time heba me hye, me ka se me di one dance ya heaven ena de me kwa akopie. Enti se malaria, we draw ne time heba mixture.
Enye enunku, de nanum ato a wontimi anidie no. Time heba mixture duro no ena ye ma wo. Oba a wafa afuro de wo ma akwada no fo. Ene akwada woni mfie dumienu entimi num aduro yi bi. Se o petam heba misha enuri dudu etu a fo ani kire KNG Herbal Center ewe Emrom Abidjan House ana ba ko so wo Atonsu Monaco Junction. Enu echi ura pharmacy chemical ene herbal shop bia ma on sabeka tam heba misha aduro yi bi. Fre 0244 417669.
Kayo set time no TIME time heba mixture afi malaria fever bia dani ziba ewo munu betu ako.
Monyekwem Ghana nyumni nyina hade ne bosso Ofie Kwanso
Jerry Justice on Adom FM 106.3.
All right, people, we are back. Try ho kitu bi. Ne asan babiem. Na me born the last one. Na fe ye Sister Sandy be a guy. Am I a fella? Near the Akodi weekend. Now messages no the medical catch them, they are endorse but there's this one, birthdays they are very important, you know what I'm saying? This one's come from Mary Ameya. Also Jerry, it's my dad's birthday tomorrow. Can you please wish him for me? He is Prophet J.E. Ameya, retired of the Church of Pentecost, Tema. It happens to be his 70th birthday. Until we dear. Young wish you know, Prophet J.E. Ameya, retired. Happy 70th birthday in advance to you. Nyame unshaw. Na odi we do 70 there. Dia ka no fan kan homa preko. Ewo Yesu dim. Amen. Okay. So wrapping up the story, unsa me be kono. Na nyum na ye bone ya branch ya match de. Me frɛ wo. Now our friend, na friend girl, na friend girl, na friend girl, na friend girl, na. Gains wo bunu eguna sum. Enti e pen na ni parents say ah. Now cry man say, gains on ye na mpne ma wa na. Pe baby for na kopro ba ho frɛ. Na sa gay kra den ne won ne ho pan ti a kyese by force ah. Ono na agu so frɛ no ono na apɛ so wa ni. No se da wo di unim. Sa girl no. Oye me eye candy. Sa girl no that dey kumi cry nachi pom chesa no tu na no tu pompo okwa na and then papa say what is pompo you pompo ntafo mienu and no nachi. Coming in from the music man himself, Julius Kodrenchi. Yes, the maestro. He calls this one Eye Candy, aka Mpompo. African. Pay particular attention and listen to the lyrics of this song, man. You will love it.
Yeah. Sweet African lady.
Hey.
Coca-Cola bottle,
you know what I mean? Hey, on energy bounce. Yeah.
What's in my traffic jam?
What's in the grammar traffic jam? Also, you have a to say you. Hey.
Why did you hear me for?
I didn't hear me for.
Energy pump. Energy pump.
Pompon town for baby, energy pump. Energy pump. Hey,
brum.
On a take you.
Hey, is it eye candy?
Oh, great energy. My goodness. All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, that will bring us to the end of my story. Yeah, I'm a catcher and of course my love stories. It's now time for Fila. Sister Sandy be a guy, y'all. How do you?
Enyum no se mi nyame kan asamba ti
me kai
na me nkwada wa mu ambafo je poabo ambafo je poabo
me wura me dodge saa kopem se boso me beba
I wasn't here just na me ni ha kwa me nya witness to be here
atiefo mon kona makope ntoko bi on Instagram na ntoko na makope on Instagram
no me me witness
between me na na sampofo je
I wasn't here
o de call me Instagram
I wasn't here. I'm bouncing on me phone na type I wasn't here. No, I see example for J. Uko who I wasn't here. Comment for sister get me a jack. Now for pen to quite say. I'm for J nam way. Why can't you stop the phone no etching? And they
was in the grandmother catcher and say more hand on one casa. Was it more hand on one casano? You won't not hand the foot yet.
I'm for you know when you're mad and at you about to think. Even I would trade you.
Video, I want Instagram or Facebook. Where I got me name to go unless I want me page or
CI headquarters
at Jerry Justice on Instagram. That's JERRYJUSTIC. Yes, at Jerry Justice. Maybe they just all follow me now. Oh, someone follow me no more. Bet me let me see if I have it around.
Facebook. Yeah, came by Jerry. Yeah, maybe cost many angel.
I know my band.
Many angel home. Mammy Jimensa Ebobo Adieno. Make sure say Nanim Dane, sister Sandy be a guy. And I say, Obubo, no, or can say multimedia, I see and I see. Threat messages no dorsum. Threat messages no election. Now for the me entertainment to cry and come there and get the film saying. But you call inbox. DM okwa Adom TV page ye posti wa de kwa comment wa see aden anenti moma central adwuma eye bibie wo honum sei brother sorry pa we dey me betie setie for mo fancham say bita fracture papa bi pa nanim keja say waterlog land 2 years assassin so 2 years awarding central for atem dia tem central for crass for Ghana central for HBGB
unza me I always say me nim I think I made an Instagram post be Enra. Enra no kra me ade am de to Instagram po. Na I wear meeting sano. And I'm de to no. This has nothing to do with
politics.
It has nothing to do with the election here. But akwabi ba betro stomach journalist. We've seen all of you. Me ni adaji am no be argument akwabi say me ho nam ko ya na me block you. Me de Makawaha. And then it's not the first time I'm saying this, and it will be the last time I'm saying it. That is why till now my account is still private. Oba hona me show vibes now no. Unyo masako e ka nipa 3 pe wo ho no mo positive me no be vibe asa. Oh, me na anya chinye kwa then I just block him. Because sometimes I don't know how some people reason. There be me electoral commissioner.
And I make say sister me Janelle can kind of name sister Sandy.
There are some crazy.
Because after the attack
no didn't go for them
Papa pay the phone so Ghana journalists in cross for Ghana journalists.
Amunya is had and the same election headquarters. Oh. And I cover elections baby ya cover ni na bia ba ho ya call the baby asa na bana what I say Osaka you know
na anya no I send Jerry
asa me send there
Jerry
which one
your exercise exercise no to abusia from on your Facebook 106.3 na mo share video make and
the video no mo share wan mo tinto kwana se just say
caption
video no the woman say may yet tummy exercise me work on my food said the be enye kese me de to ho na me ko kacha ne say me man caption say my word o mafuru no ho a me ye ho adwuma me mpese e be ginsem say de
ampofo je fu ati ntwo se ne de abusua port eja no
odi bia ka ho radio odi bia ka ho ma fa no anka ho
caption o ba de tofa wo che mu an fu ti se de abusua port eja no ya ampofo je so wo onya won so enye izu ampofo eja je me ka ko si say sad threats ne sa attacks no so wo hwe no aso ntokwa na se so ampa wo pe wo bi ewa malam tia e be tro to ye poster say wo be won kwase wo de kabra no fanji schedule you know when it's apo raja because stomach journalist stomach journalist politician bi ama miska kameton seminar
ya call election
kameton seminar
Emma, when people thought say Akufo-Addo and eba be win no, I didn't share figures na eba from everywhere we are another. Charlie Adewe there.
Yeah, call.
Channels there. Empire by another channels there. Yes, I another one be. Figures ne ba so over this time there. Oh my beko. We dey Akufo beko. Yeah, Ade so Ade na Mahama. And Mahama pa. And another one by. Yeah, I call Ade na say we dey Akufo-Addo. Eba ampa on one e win year 2016 by. And now we so asan ba. And at the end said the aircon based on the figures nearby.
Jerry may say,
but you see, surprisingly, wouldn't him say, you for no, observers nearby, Omu can by Ghana had a dada, ebe yomu, a year and sana election need rule. And almost observe it, almost say. Omu find this on me and the entire Kofubi and maybe I meant to say you want to find this on me no almost say open radio stations are now a favor NDC more it was multimedia stations and now observers nearby Chrome about that meanwhile most of NDC for any more to Chrome most say
yes, press conference now. Woody journalists at them no. Nanka Adom FM, my family camera free go. Na join news, my family camera free go. No, I can say go from and me her baby.
I am mamu yes sir. Obi nya homo obi enko. Ye ho de maye nyina. Enti no, Charlie.
Yeah, you Ghana. And I make us a bad dream.
But you know what? All the my yanso my worry baby because we should know say we all can't reason this. Any people no matter what. Ono na dwene dan disi no.
Me worry net yes abusia say mo munya to say ayi stomach journalist politician mos kana me so anum nyina eseska. Listen me to way. Ka politician ba miska ka me ton seminar. Me ton seminar me pon.
Guy so pure.
What I say? Me pon fit TV radio ho na me dididie. Ye ka o ma ayi papa no ho an agi fie is the go to be di wo. Na dem musio ka bi no me stomach journalist. Na me ncho seminar no me ton na say pimples so say de na ego beto bi dware eno ene ye ka ho asem
ayi na ya usu o say anka me ton seminar
one no problem no because am ba jere say me abre e ton seminar me timi pa ya seminar rani bo na moto no one no sister journalist ka mete ya it's some attacks and boy ken o mention to say o security
asemo
ene ye wo guard ye okay so ye be hwe ye hu ye ni ade some people are naturally haters bibia ni ho no ma ebe ye omo fe intino ye guso ye adwuma na ye som Ghana open radio station papa panso ye Adom 106.3 ye tough ye guso agent
we ma me for we twum sisi ofori wa di I say Jerry on the 8th was my son's birthday odi 9 years Kelvin Teku Tete. So happy birthday to you, do belated. All right.
Also, my miss me fa we nya o Ebenezer Dako. I say after this exercise, you'll be showing us fried eggs with 3 full A1 bread plus bowl of cocoa. Make us all exercise. Say we have to do. So ja with me tete about Instagram.
Oh my number menu. Where am I saying?
Winning America.
Wait me say yeah. Go do. All right. So
sign go.
That will be it. You know. I'm far up a week, you know.
GH rep
Kwabena M Magna. I say, hey, Kweku, the lyrical baby. You've done it all. Greetings to you, Kwame. Nana say I'm prof for J.
I'm not saying you listen.
And I feel and Coco G's in Yami Chich Yamunina. So
by your demo stuff.
All right, so
I'm back next year, Charlie.
That will bring us to a close for today, Friday, the 11th of December, 2020. You know what I'm saying? Let's check our time already. Time to bounce out of here and make way for the news at 6 on 106.3 FM. God willing, we are back again on Monday next week. 3 p.m. sharp, only on 106.3 FM. As that can come on more money tonight, Muti Jumedi, and to the team, Papa Bills, African, Jamestown, Jeko, to Prince, to Nanase Ampofwe J, to Kwame Obade, and my girl, Sister Sandy be a guy. I was trying to friend me, Jerry Justice. As always, Assembly Bakope, Ushia Unya, Nawachiano. Na wasre atre no esa se wiasimu nipa enseshi. Thanks so much for your time with us. Do have a great evening and a great weekend as well. We out of here.